Welcome everyone, your Serious War Gamer is here with another preview. There will be an unboxing coming of this particular item in a few weeks. This is a new release from Playmobil, who makes some very interesting toys, although kind of confused. They're kind of nice, kind of kitty, kind of. But this new Novelmore, Playmobile Novelmore line, which is kind of this medieval play sets, which deal with kind of bizarre types of fighting, very much like the King of Thrones, or the Game of Thrones that inspired that particular line. This is an interesting offshoot of all this, which has these Violent Vale Wizard, which is kind of strange that this would be Violent Vale. It's kind of odd that a line would be called like that, but you got to remember this is a German toy company, and of course they claim to be trying to cater to adults now more because it's a huge part of their business. But this is a very unusual wizardy type line. You can see from this tower that is kind of cool. And this is great for all those people out there who want to create kind of their own little temples and other things for their altars. But also people that want to go out there and actually have some cool wargaming experiences, which are more based in this type of setting, where it's more of a wizardy magical setting. So this looks like a very fun set. As I said, we'll be unboxing this when it comes out in a few weeks, and this is not due for release until the middle to late August, and I'm not sure when it will get to the rest of the world. This is being released in Germany then, but I'm not sure when the rest of the world will get these. Needless to say, Playmobil is everywhere, has been around the globe for many years, and been producing toys since the 1970s, and it's a division of a larger German company. So, stay tuned.